Yo guys, welcome back to Cryptoria. Today I'm going to be covering what is happening with Bitcoin, but before I do, I'd appreciate if you like, subscribe and turn on bell notifications so you know when I upload. And with that being said, let's get into today's video. Guys, straight onto CoinMarketCap. As you guys can see, Bitcoin is bleeding. It is down 13% over the last 24 hours. Are you guys buying still? Are you buying the dips? Are you panic selling? Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to see what you guys are doing. So as you guys can see, it is under that $40,000 mark. Has dropped 13% over the last 24 hours. That's quite big in terms of Bitcoin, especially at the price at the moment. You guys can see it did have that all-time high around that $64,000 mark and has dipped so much. I'm pretty sure a lot of people bought here being stupid, buying at the all-time high, and they're probably being burnt off so hard. So guys, I'm going to quickly jump into the recent news, what everyone's been talking about. Jumping straight into it, I'm on this article that I found on Bloomberg, which sort of summarizes everything that's been happening. So as you guys can see, Bitcoin erases all gains since Elon Musk's initial big embrace. Going down, as you guys can see, Bitcoin has raised all the gains it notched following Tesla Inc.'s February 8th announcement that would use corporate cash to buy the digital asset and accept it as a form of payment for its vehicles. The world's largest cryptocurrency has dropped roughly 40% from its record of almost $65,000 and was trading around $39,000 as of 6:36 a.m. in London. So guys, you can see what's actually been happening. So even here it says here, then on Tuesday, the People's Bank of China conveyed a statement reiterating that digital tokens can't be used as a form of payment. So guys, there's a lot of FUD and stuff that's been happening around in terms of Bitcoin. I'm on Twitter. I'm pretty sure everyone pretty much follows Elon Musk's tweets just to see what's happening, especially around Bitcoin and Doge. So as you guys can see, there was a tweet from here from Bitcoin Archive saying Bitcoin is down 20% since Elon Musk started, and you wonder why people are so mad. So as you guys can see, there was a chart here saying 20%, but it actually dropped 40% by now. So as you guys can see, Elon Musk did reply saying, to clarify speculation, Tesla has not sold any Bitcoin. Has not sold any Bitcoin. Okay, so you have to realize that he hasn't actually sold any Bitcoin. There's a lot of people spreading around the FUD that he's been selling it, and that's why the sort of the price, the market price has been going down. But there is a lot of things that's been happening around Bitcoin and himself, especially when the tweet stuff. There is a lot of FUD happening around, and a lot of people sell off. So just guys, just remember just to see these news, just the ins and outs. So guys, I just jumped over to another article I found on cryptonews.com. So as you guys can see, no, China didn't just ban crypto again. Here's what really happened. So as you guys can see, reports that China has enacted a fresh crypto ban appear to be somewhat wide of the mark, despite a joint statement from 3 leading financial bodies underlining the fact that companies in the nation are barred from offering crypto related services to their clients. So guys, you can see their joint statement here, but what really actually happened is here. So 3 dumb things happened within the hour. So you guys can see he tweeted out saying this: Reuters writing a misleading article on China banning, people retweeting Reuters and believing it, market dumping on the Reuters news. China didn't just ban crypto, it's a reiterating an anti-speculation law from years ago. So guys, go check it out. You can see that a lot of people have been agreeing to as well. So guys, just make sure you are not spreading all this FUD, especially with this crypto market at the moment. So just make sure you're aware of that as well. So guys, I'm going to be quickly breaking down my own analysis in terms of what I think Bitcoin is potentially going to be doing. So as you guys can see, it did have that all-time high around that $20,000 mark around 2017. It did then dip around to around $3,000. I then went back up to around that $13,000 and went straight back down to around bang on 4,000. Ever since then, it has been very bullish ever since then. So as you guys can see, it's been bullish, and it had that bullish market. It's been very bullish, no signs of bears pretty much until now. So as you guys can see, it did have the all-time high near that $65,000 mark, and then ever since then, it has been a lot of FUD, a lot of tweets been going around in terms of what's happening, and ever since then, loads of people have been selling off, and it has gone all the way down near now to around $37,000 region. So as you guys can see, in terms of what I think, as you guys can see, there is that trend following around here. So potentially what it could do is have that sort of trend retouch, or go back and retest the level going back up. In terms of what I can see on the weekly, as you guys can see, there's that resistance level around that region here and around that region here as well. and the support level here as well. So as you guys can see, it's clearly breaking this level of resistance at the moment, so it does have the potential to dip further down to around that $30,000 and then further down to around that $20,000 mark. So guys, let me know what you guys think. This is just my analysis of why I think it's going to be happening in terms of what Bitcoin can do in terms of around the news that's happening. It could obviously just do a full reversal and just have a create support, create resistance, and then go straight back up. So guys, just make sure you know what you are doing. So guys, I'm going to wrap this video up. Make sure you like, comment and subscribe, and I'll catch you in tomorrow's video.